Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this pink dramatic smoky eye look using the new Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped palette. The first shade I'm going in with is Butter Pecan on an Ariel A11. This is a nice fluffy blending brush and I'm going to blend this warm transition shade all over my crease. The Ariel A11 is an amazing blending brush and I'm just going to make sure that everything is nice and well blended. Next I'm going in with the shade Golden Hour. It's a really pretty pink matte shade and I'm going to blend this into my crease area, keeping it nice and low and making sure that the crease is nice and defined. And again, making sure I'm taking my time and making sure every shade is nice and well blended. Next, I'm going with the shade Chia Times on a Colourpop E19, and I'm going to blend this matte burgundy shade in my outer V. I love this Colourpop E19. It's the perfect small blending brush, and it's perfect for blending out your outer V. Next, I'm going with a dark brown shade. This is Cocoa Glow on a Morphe JH38. This is a dense pointed blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this shade in my outer V, keeping it nice and low. Next, I'm going with my finger in the shade So Hot. This is a really pretty pink shimmer shade. These shimmers are very nice. They're like a metallic foil type shadow, and they're oily and creamy, and they just go on so well with your finger. So I'm applying this in the first half of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to top that off with a shadow topper. This is called Shall We Dance. It's a really pretty pale pink shimmer shade. It's like a shadow topper and you just pat it right on top and it gives it that extra sparkle. I'm just going to touch up my outer V with the JH38. I'm going to take the shade Black Sand, just a really dark brown shade. I'm taking the Ariel A18 and I'm just going to smoke out my lash line with this. First, I'm just going to pat it on the lash line, but I want it to be well smoked out and nothing harsh. And I'm going to take the brush, turn it sideways. I just want to make sure the lash line is nice and smoky. I'm then going to go back in with Shall We Dance and tap on that shadow topper just to make sure the sparkles stay. Going back in with the JH38 and blending out the outer V. Gonna go back in with Chia Times on a Colourpop E19 and I'm gonna blend that into my bottom lash line. I'm going to take the JH38 and go back in with Cocoa Glow and blend this into my outer lower V. I'm going to highlight my inner corner using a Laura Geller Peach Glow highlighter. Dusting away any fallout, and then I'm going to go in with Perversion Urban Decay Black Eyeliner. Applying some Sky High Maybelline Mascara, and then going in with some Ardel Demi Wispie lashes, and that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.